Mr. Francis Gabriel Huerta. Everybody stand.
Pledge of loyalty. On this solemn occasion, we hereby pledge to remain steadfast and determined to live by and bear witness to the ideals and noble teachings of Emmanuel Christian School. Proud of our educational foundation, we further pledge to continue keeping the good name of our dear alma mater, to exemplify the desirable Christian values, strengthen family ties, selflessly involve ourselves in helping others, to strive to contribute to national growth and prosperity, as embodied to our commitment to God, to our country, and to our home.
Thank you, Mr. Huerta, for